In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a maximum number of total meetings in Calendly. This is really useful if you want to protect your time and make sure you don't overbook yourself. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Calendly to cap how many meetings you can have, so your schedule stays manageable and you can avoid burnout. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your browser. From your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the navigation where you manage when you're available. You'll want to click on the section labeled Availability. This is where Calendly stores all of your scheduling rules, including your working hours, time zones, and any advanced limits you might want to apply. Once you're on the Availability page, look for an option called Advanced Settings. It's usually located near the top or side of the Availability settings area. Go ahead and click on Advanced Settings. This area is designed for more specific controls, so if you've only used the basic hours and days before, this is where you can start to fine-tune your schedule. Inside Advanced Settings, you'll see different controls that help you manage how people can book time with you. Here, we're interested in limiting how many meetings can be scheduled in total over a given period. Look for the option that says Add a Meeting Limit. Click on that. When you add a meeting limit, Calendly will let you specify how many meetings you're willing to take within a certain time frame. For example, you might set a limit of 5 meetings per day or a certain number per week, depending on how you structure your work. Think about your ideal workload. How many focused conversations can you realistically handle without feeling overwhelmed? Use that as your guide when you enter the number. After you set the limit that feels right for you, make sure any related options, such as the time period or which event types the limit should apply to, are configured the way you want. When you're done, confirm or save your changes so Calendly can start enforcing that limit automatically. From now on, once your maximum number of meetings has been booked for that period, Calendly will stop showing available times to new invitees. This helps you keep control of your calendar while still giving people a smooth booking experience.